Namaskar, Adaf, Salam Alaikum. This is the brooding house for the chicks. I shall show you. So this is called a brooder. We have placed four pieces of 60-watt halogen bulb to keep the chicks warm. Those are the chicks. They are just 2 days old. During the initial first 4 days, we give the feeds in an egg tray so that they can access it easily. This is the drinker. In order to not to waste the water, we give less water in the first few days. We have placed the newspaper so that they don't eat the sawdust that is placed beneath them. These chicks are called PV380, which lays brown eggs. They will start laying the eggs at the age of 6 months, and one bird will lay up to 280 to 300 eggs in a year. See? This is how they keep themselves warm. A little bit crowded here. And this is an electric brooder. It throws very good heat. So as you can see, most of the birds are in the place where the heat is more. And this is a very high protein diet breed starter. We give broiler feeds during the first 4 days. These chicks are very curious. They will bite anything they see. It's just 2 days old. They will rest, and when they are hungry, they will wake up to eat. And you should be careful not to scare them too much. Chicks usually they die if they get sudden shock. And make sure the drinker is not so deep, or else the chicks will get drowned. Yeah, we have introduced 2000 PV380 to meet the demand of the market. We have 1000 PV380 already, which are laying up to 800 eggs in a day. If you have any queries, any question, you can write it down in the comments below. I'll be happy to answer those.